भारतीय राजदूत ने बैंकॉक में एफआईआई प्रतिनिधिमंडल की मेजबानी। थाईलैंड में उभरते निवेश अवसरों और निर्यात पर भी दिया जोर। भारत और थाईलैंड के बीच आर्थिक संबंधों को और सशक्त करने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण पहल के तहत थाईलैंड में भारतीय राजदूत ने बैंकॉक में फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इन्वेस्टर्स के उच्च स्तरीय प्रतिनिधिमंडल की मेजबानी की। इस अवसर पर दोनों देशों के बीच निवेश, व्यापार और औद्योगिक सहयोग को बढ़ाने पर व्यापक चर्चा हुई। यह संवाद दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया में भारत के प्रमुख साझेदार थाईलैंड के साथ आर्थिक कूटनीति को गहराई देने की भारत की प्रतिबद्धता को दर्शाता है। बैठक के दौरान द्विपक्षीय व्यापार को बढ़ावा देने, निवेश संबंधों को मजबूत करने और थाईलैंड में भारतीय उद्यमियों के लिए नए व्यापारिक अवसरों की पहचान पर गहन विचार विमर्श हुआ। एफआईआई प्रतिनिधिमंडल को थाईलैंड के बदलते निवेश परिदृश्य, प्रगतिशील नीतिगत ढांचे और आसियान बाजारों में विस्तार के इच्छुक विदेशी निवेशकों के लिए उपलब्ध व्यापक अवसरों की जानकारी दी गई। थाई अधिकारियों और दूतावास प्रतिनिधियों ने थाईलैंड की रणनीतिक भौगोलिक स्थिति, क्षेत्रीय लॉजिस्टिक्स और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हब के रूप में इसकी भूमिका और विश्व स्तरीय बुनियादी ढांचे पर प्रकाश डाला। साथ ही निवेशकों के अनुकूल नियमों, सरलीकृत स्वीकृति प्रक्रियाओं, आकर्षक प्रत्यक्ष विदेशी निवेश प्रोत्साहनों और सतत समावेशी व नवाचार आधारित विकास की दीर्घकालिक दृष्टि को रेखांकित किया गया। स्टार न्यूज प्लस की नई दिल्ली से सतीश जैन की ये रिपोर्ट। रीटेक स्टार न्यूज प्लस के लिए नई दिल्ली से सतीश जैन की ये रिपोर्ट।
The industry coming in, especially in zones. So this is my area of interest. Thank you so much, Vice Chairman and Mr. Farman Jiga, so and other team members for hosting this wonderful meeting today. We are indeed very grateful. Thank you. I'll ask
I am Udit Verma, General Secretary of Federation of Indian Industry, and as a industry expert, I am the solution architect in the field of industrial automation and robotics. So now I will introduce our rest of the delegates. Kindly stand in your place during introduction from my side. We have Srimati Sunita Jain, Director of FIA with us. We have Dr. Dravya Jain, Advisor to FIA with us. We have Shri Rajiv Kansal, Patron of FIA Himachal Chapter with us. We have Shri Shivam Bansal, Director and CEO of JJ Plastlab Private Limited. We have with us Shrimati Neha Bansal, Director of JJ Plastlab Private Limited. We have with us Dr. Ramesh Rana, Organizing Secretary for FIA Himachal Chapter. We have with us Shri Sattar Jassal, Director of Safe Life Care. We have with us Shri Anil Malik, Director of Ride Camp India. We have with us Shri Ujjwal Jain, Director of Vimalji Jewellers Private Limited. We have with us Shri Akhilesh Yadav, Director of Top Healthcare. We have with us Shri N.B. Kaushik, Director of Kausi Auto. We have with us Shri Satish Punva, Director of SGS Group. We have with us Shri Choya Jain, Director of Vimalji Jewellers Private Limited. Thank you.
Memberships also in all the 62 countries and specifically in India. The purpose of this is to acquaint the Indian membership to the growing Thailand market. We have a big market here and lots of opportunities are there to explore how Indian companies can set up footprint here by way of co-investing, by way of co-manufacturing, by way of joint ventures, by way of collaborations, and this would be the launch pad for their footsteps in the ASEAN market. That's a very big market, and Thai business community, they can join hands with the Indian business community to together explore this great opportunity. The idea of coming to you is to see what your organization is doing, what great work you have done, and how Indian capabilities in these segments, because a lot of Indian companies are doing lots and lots of work in R&D field, especially in the traditional segment and in the Ayurveda, Ayush segment, also in the modern system of medicine. So lots and lots of research is going on, but there is no bridge between India and Thailand. So the Chamber of Commerce duty is to bridge that gap. Lot of gap is there. What you are doing, what our companies are doing, lots of gap is there. So we would like to bridge that gap and see where a matchmaking can take place. So the delegation is here. Some of the members could not be present in this meeting, but we have got members in the 4 segments. One is pharmacy.
We both are engaged in building up of economies of our nations. That is the primary work of FTI, and this is the same work we are doing in FII. So let me introduce Federation of Indian Industries to you. We started our work in 2013, but we were formally registered as a non-profit organization, a Section 8 company in 2015. So just last December we completed 10 years of our service to the nation. And it's a good achievement that we are the fastest growing organization, Chamber of Commerce in India. In 10 years, we could spread out to 62 countries of the world. 22 states we are covering in India, and we have sectoral committees on 25 sectors, national sectoral committees. And now, most of our members are from different, we have been taking associations and smaller chambers as members. So the spread of FII is greatly multiplied when we have chambers as our members. So apart from this usual chamber activity, we also come out with our newsletter, which goes to 150 countries, to the Indian diaspora and our business partners and our other governments and the policy makers and who's who in the country as well. And this is one activity, and more on the social sector, we are into skill development, we are into women empowerment, water resources development, and health, education, sports, all these activities we are undertaking under our social services charter. And today I am pleased to introduce our delegation. We are having people from the pharmaceutical sector. Then we have people from the plastics master batch